Look at me. I look good.
You look good.
Look at me.
You look good. You don't just look good. You're cute.
Right?
You're looking fantabulous.
One of my cars. In fact, Mama, I drive all the senators' cars.
One of
I have all the keys.
That makes you a senator.
Okay?
Senator.
Senator, Mama.
So,
Yeah.
how is Stella?
Stella is fine.
Did she send something for me?
Of course. The moment I was leaving, she said, this one is specifically for Mama. Na boots. Boots.
Okay.
Mama, that reminds me. The moment the senator saw me,
yes.
She said, oh, you look handsome.
I have a handsome
person. You look handsome. As a matter of fact, Mama, he was acting like he wanted me to marry the girl today.
Wow. I'm sure you're going to marry the girl.
Of course.
Hi,
Of course.
We have arrived.
We have arrived.
So,
we move. You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.